In this video, I will be showing you how to use Gamma AI for conference and event presentations. Let's get started. I'll start by clicking Create New AI on my dashboard and then selecting the Generate option. Next, I'll make sure the Presentation tab is selected and I'm going to choose to create 7 cards for this project. In the prompt box, I'm typing in a 15-minute conference keynote on the future of AI in marketing, and then I'll hit the Generate Outline button. The AI quickly builds a structured outline for me. I'll review these points and even move them around to make sure the flow is perfect for my event. Now, I'll customize the output by setting the text content to detailed and selecting a professional theme. The petrol theme looks perfect for this. I'll click Generate, and you can watch as the AI brings the presentation to life, slide by slide. It's adding professional layouts, key data points, and visually engaging elements for each of the 7 cards. Now that the slides are generated, I can scroll back through and review the final result. The best part is that I can now edit the presentation exactly the way I want. I can open the editing menu on the right to add more specific context, change the images, or adjust the layout to better suit my speaking style. It's incredibly easy to refine every detail until the presentation is ready for the big stage. And there you have it. That's the complete process of using Gamma AI for conference and event presentations.